In this video, I'm going to show you how to use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve 20 using the simple green to red method. This is one of the easiest ways to add movement to a shot and make your edits feel more polished, more cinematic, and more professional without keyframing everything manually. If you're working on YouTube videos, interviews, tutorials, or even social media content, dynamic zoom can help turn a static clip into something much more engaging. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, tricks, and editing workflows. Now, let's jump right in. First, make sure you've selected the clip you want to animate on your timeline. Once the clip is selected, open the Inspector panel. This is where most of your transform and motion controls live in DaVinci Resolve. In the Inspector, look for the Dynamic Zoom option and toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, DaVinci Resolve activates the feature for that clip. After that, go to the viewer and find the Transform dropdown in the bottom left corner of the viewer area. Click that dropdown and choose Dynamic Zoom. This will show you the two framing boxes that control the motion of the zoom. You'll notice a green box and a red box. The green box represents the starting frame of your shot, and the red box represents the ending frame. Think of the green box as where your zoom begins and the red box as where it finishes. If you want the shot to zoom in, make the red box smaller than the green box. That tells Resolve to move from a wider starting frame into a tighter ending frame. If you want the shot to zoom out, do the opposite and make the green box smaller than the red box. That creates the effect of starting close and pulling back to reveal more of the scene. You can click and drag the boxes to reposition them so the zoom focuses on the exact part of the image you want. This is really useful if you want to center attention on a face, a product, a title card, or any subject in the frame. Another great feature is the Swap button in the Inspector. If your zoom is moving in the wrong direction, just click Swap and Resolve will instantly reverse it. That means you don't need to rebuild the effect from scratch. It's a fast way to test different looks until the motion feels right. A good tip is to preview the clip after adjusting the boxes so you can see how natural the movement looks. Sometimes a very subtle zoom works better than a dramatic one, especially for clean, professional edits. Other times, a stronger zoom can help emphasize a key moment or create a more dynamic visual style. The best part is that dynamic zoom is quick, beginner-friendly, and completely built into DaVinci Resolve 20. So instead of manually animating every frame, you can use this tool to create smooth motion in just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.